Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to boost your post on Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Once you get into your Instagram account, click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on your post from here, and you can see the Boost Post option on the post. Now select a goal for this ad as more profile visits and tap on Next. Then select the target audience as automatic, or you can create an audience then tap on Next. After that, set your budget and duration then tap on Next. Now review everything you selected, and if you're ready, then tap to Boost Post. And click on I accept from policy. Go back to review and tap to add payment method. Enter your payment method and click on Next. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe and share.